Kwento tayo muna. Habang naglalakad kami sa SM North, may waiter na tumawag sa amin sa harap ng Yummy Dumplings. Friendly yung staff and simple yet cozy yung ambience ng store. And when we checked on their menu, nakitan agad kami sa food presentation nila. And our kids, nahooked agad sa rainbow steamed dumplings. Sobrang colorful naman kasi, plus it's filled with juicy pork and mushroom. May natural sweetness from the mushroom and yung wrapper, it's soft but not soggy. Super sulit for its price na 338 pesos. We also tried their special tiger dumplings, priced at 338 pesos. It's a combination of pork and cabbage, rich and generous ang filling, plus points sa food presentation. Next, look at this heart-shaped shrimp and egg fried rice. Not just cute, malasa rin. May chunks of real shrimp and light lang, hindi rin ma-oily. We balanced it out with their broccoli stir-fry with wood ear mushroom for only 298 pesos. Ang fresh ng gulay, perfect crunch, and the mushrooms gave it an extra earthy flavor. Favorite namin tong Szechuan fried chicken. It's tender, flavorful, spicy but not overpowering. Perfect para sa mahilig sa cake ng spice like us. And for the dessert, I fell in love with their lychee iced jelly with sea salt. Sobrang refreshing and may nutty crunch sa bawat subo. Winner to. And for the drinks, we tried their plum juice. Tama-tama ang tamis na may onting asim. And another is the yellow peach fruit granule milk na creamy, fruity, and not too sweet. Lahat ng kinain namin is good for 2 to 3 persons. And guess what? Less than 2,000 lang lahat ng na-order namin. Super sulit, super busog, and the kids can't stop talking about the dumplings. Kaya nga siya, Yummy Dumplings eh. So kung napadaan kayo sa SM North and may tumawag sa inyo from Yummy Dumplings, trust us, sumunod na kayo. Your tummy will thank you. Yun lamang. See you on our next vlog. Bye!